Are you looking for new walls that are classy, reasonable in price, and easy to install? HyundaiL&C offers the right solution to your walls that is more real, more reasonable in price, and easier to install. HyundaiL&C's new and exclusive solution to customers, Bodaq Wall. A variety of patterns and rich texture made from eco-friendly materials. Enjoy the pleasure of choosing your wall boards from dozens of pattern options. Bodaq Wall gives you the best satisfaction for any space with an unmatched realistic look and feel. Create healthier space with eco-friendly decorative films. Be safer with fireproof materials that are stronger to fire. Stay fresh with waterproof features for your bathrooms. Bodaq Wall offers everything customers want at a reasonable price. Bodaq Wall is easier and simpler to install that will save your time and cost. Bodaq Wall is more durable and easier to maintain. Wall interior becomes more accessible with Bodaq Wall. First, protect the flooring to prevent scratches. Remove the existing wall coverings. Measure the size of the wall to work on and mark the horizontal and vertical lines. Then, apply stone silicone glue at the back of the wallboard. It is important to apply a whole silicone pack per one sheet of Bodaq Wall to ensure strong attachment. Remove the protection film from the board. Cut and trim to fit the wall shape. We recommend dust-collecting cutter to prevent dust. Now, attach the board on the wall. In order to connect the board, apply silicone sealant on the connector molding and combine with the side of the wallboard. Then, connect the boards. Apply stone silicone glue on the wall and combine with connector molding. To ensure seamless connection, a vacuum suction cup is used. After combining the wall and molding, plastic tapes are applied on the connecting joint of each board for a stronger connection until the sealant is completely dried. Finally, finishing work with molding and silicone sealant will complete the work. Let's review the process again. As simple and easy as it can be. More real. More reasonable in price. Easier application. A trendsetter interior wall tile, Bodaq Wall. Bodaq Wall will set the new tone for interior wall boards. A new culture in interior design. HyundaiL&C.